This is the Mobile Mechanic 757. We're still on the pre-purchase used car inspection on the Toyota Corolla. This is an old school trick to see if there's any kind of accidents that's been in this vehicle. I've already showed you that this is completely equal all the way around the car. I've already showed you that in part 3. I'm going to take an ordinary magnet and I'm going to take a nice clean rag and I'm gonna go around the car. The bumper is not going to stick because it's plastic. This magnet, which I'm putting inside this thing, should stick all around the car, as you can see. Well, it fell off because it's not a very strong magnet, but it picks up on metal. As you can see, it's picking up on the metal. If there was an accident and there was a half job fixing it, they'll have some Bondo. The paint will be all different looking. I'm going around the whole entire car, and like I said, there will be no sticking to a bumper because it's plastic. As you can see, it's sticking everywhere. Very good, very good. This is made of plastic, so this will never stick. But anything that's metallic, it'll stick to. So I'm checking for accidents. That's what I'm doing. I'm checking for accident, or a form of way of checking for accident. This is not 100% guaranteed. This is how I do things. People do things their own way. This is how I do things. As you can see, it's sticking everywhere it's supposed to, which is very good. Very good for the customer. They don't want something that's been in an accident and halfway fixed. There we go, nice and sticking, very good. See all the nice good creases coming all the way around. This has been just a little bit of imperfections, but this is a 2008. This is just something that came out a little bit, but it's not enough to say don't buy the car. I think this car has been really taken care of. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. And this is a pre-purchase used car inspections. And if you are a mobile mechanic, this is one way, another way you can open up your door and make a lot of money just by doing this. I also sell the paperwork. Go down to the About page or any of the descriptions and you'll see where you can get the paperwork from. Thank you.